Oh, dia pukul. Aduh. Dia pukul. Jalan.
Assalamualaikum. Going to Abu Simbel. Shukran. Jazakallah khair.
In 300 meters, turn left toward Abu Simbel, Alawainat, Aswan, Abu Simbel Road. Take the next left toward Abu Simbel, Alawainat, Aswan, Abu Simbel Road.
Good morning from Aswan, Egypt. We had just checked out from the beautiful Kato Wadi Nubian House Hotel, within the Nubian village of Garb Suhail. It was an absolutely lovely stay along the western banks of the Nile, while soaking up on Nubian hospitality and vibrant village life. Our plan right now is to hit the road again and drive further southwards, all the way to Abu Simbel, right near the Sudan border. Stay tuned to watch this video and join us on our road trip to Abu Simbel, as we will be driving this rental car by ourselves and on our own, without any tour guide or tour group. This is a self-driving adventure which not many people undertake, so we would like to share the experience with all of you here. Most people say we cannot drive on our own from Aswan to Abu Simbel. In fact, many people advise us that we should not drive in Egypt at all. They say the roads are rough, and the police officers at the checkpoints will not let us through, unless we engage a driver, follow a tour group guide, or the police themselves escort us all the way with extra payments. But today, we are going to prove all of them wrong. Join us as we drive out to leave the colorful Nubian village of Aswan and drive southwards 300 kilometers through Egypt's hidden heart, all the way to the legendary Abu Simbel temples, near the Egyptian-Sudan border. In order to drive out of the Nubian village, we have to pass through this 3-kilometer sandy muddy dirt track that connects through the village itself. Look at these vibrant houses, with so much color and life everywhere. And the kids here are always so friendly, waving to us as we pass by. This is a side of Egypt most tourists never see. Unless you drive yourself, you'd miss all of this. It's a bit bumpy, but totally worth it for these authentic village scenes. This is real, rural Egypt, untouched, authentic, and so welcoming. We had no problems driving slowly along the unpaved dirt track village road, while enjoying the unique rural sights of the village life.
وكريم كوجر من 4 ل 6 مساء.
Oh, dia pukul. Aduh. Dia pukul. Unta dia kat bawah ni, tak saat tu dia macam sebelah building. Nubian Coffee itu cantik juga. Macam kedai dia.
صباح الخير برنسيس، ربنا ما فهمناش. انا هطلع بنيلك
وكمان في حاجة نترك بقى المن والأذى بعد الصدقة. دي مهمة جدا.
لو tak pergi Nubian ni kan.
لا اله الا الله. امبارح لقيته بالصدفه فركنت كده ورحت مطلع اللسان ما بينه كده بالراحه وفي ايده ورحت ماشي.
ربنا يسلمك.
اقسم بجلاله الله ما عدى سواد الليل.
Untuk macam elakkan orang masuk dalam lubang tu lah. Pergi main hall lah. Main hall dia. Restoran ni macam
After the slow, patient drive over the sandy village dirt tracks, we made it to the main road. That was quite the adventure already. From here, it's a straight shot south to Abu Simbel. let's check the signboard. Yeah, about 275 kilometers to go. Next stop is the police checkpoint that everyone talks about. Alright, here comes the moment of truth. We've read so many stories online. Some say foreigners can't drive this road, others say you need a police escort or a tour guide. Let's see what happens.
Going to Abu Simbel. Straight? Turn left. Okay. Turn left. Okay. Shukran. Jazakallah khair.
That's it. No problems at all. The police officers were super friendly, just asking us where we were going, and wished us a safe journey. So, don't believe everything you read online. Driving here as a foreigner is possible and safe. We had experienced it ourselves and lived to tell the
In 300
tale.
meters, turn left toward Abu Simbel, Alawainat, Aswan, Abu Simbel Road. Take the next left toward Abu Simbel, Alawainat, Aswan, Abu Simbel Road. Continue for 49 kilometers.
By the way, this road from Aswan to Abu Simbel, starting from the police checkpoint, is only open during daytime from 5 a.m. in the morning till 5 p.m. in the evening. So, the latest you should drive out of Aswan is after breakfast, just like how we did, in order to safely arrive Abu Simbel by lunchtime, and have ample rest to explore after that. Now we're officially on the desert highway to Abu Simbel. Check out these views, just the endless vastness of the Great Sahara Desert stretching for miles. Being able to be behind the wheel and self-drive our rental car for this adventure drive is honestly a stunning surreal experience by itself. Not many people around the world can recount and tell this story of having driven throughout Egypt, just like how we did so far, from Hurghada, to Luxor, to Aswan and now, on the way to Abu Simbel. Let us share a few tips if you're planning on this drive. Do fill up your tank in Aswan, especially at the police checkpoint area, as there are no gas petrol stations thereafter until Abu Simbel. Bring along snacks and pack up on lots of water in the car. The drive is long and remote. It will be helpful to munch on some snacks while driving. Lastly, do watch your speed and be very patient and polite to give way to other speedy Egyptian drivers. And watch out for those who overtake from the oncoming traffic. It is always an advantage to be more defensive in driving. Don't forget to enjoy the scenery. We're so glad we chose to self-drive. It had given us so much freedom to explore at our own pace. Halfway through the journey, there is a certain section of the road which is highly uneven, and consists of bumpy rough patches for a few kilometers. We took the precaution to reduce our speed to take it slow and steady. It's not as bad, as long as we keep our eyes on the road, and we'll be fine. Honestly, this is all part of the adventure. We're getting close now, just a few kilometers more to Abu Simbel. It's been a long drive, but totally worth it for these amazing desert views and the sense of self-driving adventure. We finally made it into the driveway entrance of Abu Simbel. After 300 kilometers and a few bumps along the way, we've arrived in this small city, which is famous for the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Abu Simbel Temple Complex of Pharaoh Ramses II and Nefertari. It was quite a surreal moment to be finally here deep in the African lands, right on the edge of Lake Nasser and the Egypt-Sudan border. What a journey it has been, self-driving our rental car from the sandy tracks of the Nubian village, to the vast open highway of the Egyptian desert. This has been an adventure we'll never forget. And later, we'll be visiting the world-famous Abu Simbel temples, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned to watch our next episode, where we bring you along with us and show you the highlights of the Abu Simbel temple visit. If you've enjoyed this adventure, please like the video by giving us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more real Egypt travel stories, and let us know in the comments, would you try this drive yourself? See you in the next one at Abu Simbel temples. Till then, we wish all of you a life full of sustenance and daily baraka blessings, and may all of us be grateful for the blessings we receive in our lives. Ameen.